Hi, this video will show you how to actually use the Track It Forward system to record your volunteer hours for BRC, the Baltimore Rowing Club. Once you've created an account, you're going to log in, and your login page will take you to the log hours. The first part is it'll ask you the number of hours you volunteered. So you could type in 10 if you did something for a full regatta, or if you need to do partial hours, it does take decimal points. Just to note, you can type in letters, but I'm not quite sure how that'll show up. It might give an error message. So be mindful of that. Once you've got your hours volunteered, you're going to pick the day you volunteered. You can either use the drop-down menus, or you can click the calendar. And you can go backwards or forwards to backlog or update future volunteer events. Once you've got the date in there, you're going to select the activity you volunteered for. It can be anything pre-select, from tidying up the boathouse office to being a coxswain or being part of the social committee. If you can't find something that best fits, click New Task, and you can use that as well. For example, I had to use New Task when I was updating the Google Calendar, and it really didn't seem to fit the Facebook page. Once you've typed in your notes, you can hit Submit Time, and the page should refresh, and you can look at the right side where it'll show the hours until you meet your 8-hour requirement and all the times that you volunteered by date and activity and by hours. If you made a mistake, when you click on any activity, hit Edit, and you can change pretty much all the details except your name. And if you just need to clear it out because there was a rain out and you put in volunteer hours in advance, you can always click Delete. Or if you want to change your mind, hit Cancel. Don't forget to save. Okay, now that you've got your hours volunteered, I want to show you the charts page real quick. Is just an overview of the entire club's volunteer hours. And then what's really important is the event signups page. This will be useful in the future. The legend says anything that's blue is available for volunteering, anything that's green is something you've RSVP'd to volunteer for, and anything gray, they've got their quota of volunteers and is full. So social committee's on their ball. They already registered their May Friday Fun Row. That happens every third Friday of the month, except May. And you can see what it's about, when it is, and the times needed. If you click a plus sign, it'll show you more detailed information about each of the volunteer slots. So all you have to do is click sign up and you're good. The last page you can look at is the account page. It's nothing spectacular. It just takes you back to the log page for log hours. You can click edit profile. It'll just let you, adjust your name for typos or nickname and your phone number. And then you can also change your password here. Finally, you can also export your logged hours into a spreadsheet. And that's about it. When you're done, don't forget to sign out. And if you want to learn how to use the Track It Forward app on iPad or iPhone, go ahead and click the link below, or I'll enter in a link to get to my video. There's also a Google app for Android. I just don't have an Android. So thanks for watching. This is Jose signing out. Reach out to me if you have any other questions.